Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by cleaning your sheet. Remove merged cells and ensure headers are clear. You want labels in column and numeric series in adjacent columns so sheets recognizes axes. Now select the exact range you intend to chart, click and drag, or use Ctrl+A for the table. This ensures ranges, headers, and data types are detected correctly. Once done, go to Insert then Chart. This opens the chart editor on the right, where Initial Chart Type. In the Chart Editor's Setup tab, confirm the data range and set the x-axis to your label column. Add or remove series to include additional numeric columns. This controls what plots. Then choose a chart type that matches your goal. For trends, use line, comparisons, use column, parts of a whole, use pie. Make sure to preview changes. If data looks off, check for text in numeric cells or hidden rows. Once the setup matches your intent, move to Customization for styling. Switch to the Customize tab to refine readability. Set a concise chart title, format axis labels, tweak fonts and grid lines, and pick contrasting colors so important series stand out. Resize and place the chart on the sheet or copy it to slides. Export as PNG or SVG for reports. Finally, validate numbers by comparing a few cells to chart points. If data doesn't display, check cell formats, hidden rows, and whether the chart's data range accidentally excludes new rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.